Welcome back again. This is Brandon Clements. I'm going to talk a little bit about the room divider file here. Basically what it's used for is if you have a linear wall and you want to know what's the best number, how many rooms can I fit along that wall given a certain criteria. So with the room divider, you enter the desired number of rooms, the desired room ratio, and the desired square footage, and then you can enter multipliers to weight the different variables. What this uses is Galapagos, which is an evolutionary problem solver, and it'll iterate through different variations to find the best fit solution. So let's go to the Rhino file really quick here. So basically what you see here is a series of rooms, basically diagrammatically drawn out. But what we're going to do now is weight the different factors and see what the results are. So for instance, we can change the number of rooms. So if we change that, you can see that the the room dimension will start to change, and we can change the depth of the room, etc. So we can just change the depth here to show you. So these are some of the different factors that we're going to have it try to solve for us. So these are the room inputs. These series here. So number of rooms, depth of rooms, widths, and our initial length. And then what we have is a series of results. Okay, so what we have here is we want to input the desired number of rooms. So let's say we want 20 rooms, and we'll say the importance factor is 2.5. And those will see we have four importance factors. So if we weight these differently, then it'll skew the results towards that particular importance factor. So we can change that to 4 if that's really important to us, and it'll weight those in comparison to the other ones. Next thing is desired square footage. And then we have desired ratio of width to depth. And then the desired width of the room. So here our desired is 8. Let's change that to 10. And so basically it feeds all that information into our evolutionary problem solver over here. So let's double click on that. We'll go to solve. So basically we're solving for the minimum. You can see minimize right there. We'll go to solvers, and then let's try to close that window so we at least get to see it, maybe run through some of the options. So let's do start solver. And so you can start to see it was adjusting those a little bit there. And so I clicked on it to show you all the variations it's going through. But let's just show the best ones for now. So it's only going to show us the best fit examples there. So it's going to run through 50. We'll go ahead and stop it. And so what it does is it came up with one that best fits our criteria. So I can reinstate these by clicking reinstate. Let's just try and see if we have a few different examples here. Okay, so you can start to see there's a few different options it had that were close to the criteria we wanted. Let's go back to here. That one's the best fit. So anyways, that's the quick introduction. It's not the most applicable, but it's an interesting way to solve for certain square footages and number of rooms that are required. Hope you find that useful, and hope the file is useful for you. I'm looking forward to making some more. Thanks.